Here, Mike. I'll see you Monday. Hey, Caleb.
Hey, Rich.
Yeah, man. How are you,
Hey.
buddy?
I'm good. How are you? Good. I'm on the phone with this lady who wants to purchase a Rockwood Type 5 mounting kit, but her door is 2 3/8 inch thick. So I'm assuming she'll need the 3-inch SP1025 would be probably the closest. But I don't know, I'm not completely confident on that, and I also wonder if I would sell then the 5 kit and just notate, or if I should sell 2 SP1025s, 3-inch and the set.
All right, so the client wants a kit 5. Okay, when you break down a kit 5, that's going to be an SP1025, and it's going to be the SP64.
Oh, is it not the 1026 head screws?
It is the SP1026. That is correct.
Okay.
So a kit 5, you're going to sell, if that's what they want. Well, I mean, you're just going to sell an SP1025, whatever quantity she needs. And then for every SP1025, you need one SP1026 set screw. How thick is the door?
It's 2 3/8.
Okay. So you're going to want, realistically, you're going to want the SP1025 the 3-inch length for a 2.5-inch thick door.
Gotcha. Okay, so then it wouldn't be. Okay, gotcha. So then, yeah, 2 SP1025s at a 3-inch, 2 of the set screws that go with it, and okay, that's what I wasn't sure if we would do a kit 5 and then just notate their door thickness for the 3-inch screws, or if we would just sell all the components.
So you can do it either way. A kit 5 is what you and I just discussed. The bill of materials for a kit 5, SP1025 by length, by door thickness, SP1026. We don't stock them as top-level assemblies. We stock them as their components. Now, I've just started with Liz just this week, and I'm going to do it once a month, to take a kit, kit 1 HD, all the way through, and then add to the extended description what the bill of materials would be for that.
Okay.
If you're going to make guacamole, think of the bill of materials. Avocados, lemon juice, blah, 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 blah. Whatever is on the recipe, that's your bill of materials.
Okay, absolutely. Gotcha. I'm also confused as to, we've got the kit 5 price.
That's because of the thickness. That's because of the door thickness. If you were to do a kit 5 for that special door thickness, they're going to whack you. It's not a kit 5. A kit 5 is for an 1 3/4 thick door.
Okay, so because it's not standard. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, understood, Rich.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.